Hi, this is Chris Massiello from VitaminCM.com, and today I'm going to do a quick review of the beta of Microsoft Office 2010 that will be coming out sometime this year. I'm going to go over a couple of things they've added, changed, done to make it different or better. One of the first things you'll notice for all of the Office 2010 applications is they did away with that stupid Office button icon thing, whatever it was. Everybody hated it. They put a proper file menu or file tab like you'd see in pretty much every other piece of software you'll ever use. A couple other nice things that they did. If you click down here on share, you can send this file directly to email. One of the things I would do is right click and drag it up to your quick options bar up here. A couple other things. If you have a SkyDrive account, which is a free 25 gigs of online storage that Microsoft provides, you could send the file directly to your SkyDrive account. If you're using SharePoint servers at your work or your office, you can set up and send it directly to your SharePoint server. Another nice thing, on the Insert tab in all the applications is a screenshot tool. So if you want to quickly embed a screenshot into this file, it will show you any windows that are open. So let's say I wanted to grab a screenshot of this PowerPoint window. Just click it and it drops it right in. Pretty handy. Another thing that they've added throughout the whole suite are a few different Smartart options. So the Smartart edition in 2007 was great. You could create Venn diagrams, org charts, pyramids, all kind of really cool illustrations. If you see, I'll scroll through them. And they're intelligent and they're expandable. So if you want 5 things hanging off or 3 or 10, you just keep typing in what you want. You could set really cool colors and graphics on them. Really handy for putting information into a document if you want to display it that way. So they added a couple more Smartart options, and I'm going to take a look through each of the applications at some things that I like that they added. In Word, cover pages. They had cover pages in 2007. They added a few new ones. They look really nice. If you're putting a report together to distribute at work, you can put a nice cover on there. You can edit it, put the title of the document, your name, date, the topic, whatever you want. Another nice thing that they added, if you go to the page layout tab, is page color. So obviously they're going to default to white, but what if you wanted a nice light pink or light green or blue or orange background on your document? Pretty simple. You can do that, and all the previews are dynamic so you can see how it would look. Now if I jump over to Excel, some of the other things that you can do here, again, the same. The File tab is here, and for sharing, there's a couple options. So you can obviously just attach it to an email and send it. You can save it to your SkyDrive or SharePoint. You could publish to Excel Services, which is another Microsoft tool that you can use to put your spreadsheet up there and let everybody kind of share it and work on it. On the Insert tab, again, there's screenshots. So if you wanted a screenshot, you can grab any open window and take a screenshot and just throw it right onto your spreadsheet. This slicer feature, so if you're creating a pivot table and you wanted to grab different pieces, make cubes for pivot tables, you can use this slicer, which is a handy new feature that makes that a little bit easier. The page layout tab, again, background. So if you want to choose a background image to display as the background of the sheet, maybe you had a logo or a watermark that you wanted to add so that when you send it to clients, it's got your logo or your company information. The Formulas tab has another addition, the Name Manager. So if you have named ranges within your sheet, you can create them, manage them from here. Now if we go to PowerPoint, same thing. If I go to File and go to Share, you can see different options. You can publish your slides to a SharePoint site, broadcast live slideshow. So if you wanted to do a slideshow that you let other people look at over the internet, you can set that up and do it. There's a few new templates that have been added. You want to design a visually attractive presentation, it makes it real easy. And the screenshot option, so I could grab a screenshot from one of the other applications and just drop it right onto my slide. A nice option that they put in here is create video. So if I wanted to create a video of this, so a screencast, I could do my presentation, record my voice, run it, and then package it up as a video, upload it to YouTube or someplace else. You could also package the presentation for a CD so you can make it a little application that other people can run on their computers. So let's take a look at Microsoft Outlook. The biggest thing you'll notice is that they added the ribbon to Microsoft Outlook so that it looks and functions like the rest of the Office application suite. So from the File tab, you don't have the share option here. It's your email program. You're just, by nature, you're sharing everything when you're emailing. The Home tab, and if you look under Calendar, you have some options, contacts, tasks. You can share your calendar. You can publish your calendar online. You can import calendars. So maybe if other members of your team had calendars and you were managing them, you could see everybody's vacation and work schedule on your master calendar, and you could kind of click on and click off so you wanted to see different things or hide different things. Maybe for your family, if you wanted to have your kids' Little League and soccer schedules on here, and your work schedules, things like that, you could combine them all or hide and reveal them. So some pretty nice features. The biggest thing that you'll notice, though, like I said, is that they added the ribbon and got rid of the old file menu system. So that's just a quick review of Office 2010. Like I said, it's not a major earth-shattering upgrade, just a few nice tweaks, namely adding the ribbon to Outlook, getting rid of the Office button for the file menu, a couple of nice sharing options, the screenshot tool that you can use in all the applications. Really minor stuff, just kind of making Office 2007 a little nicer and a little better to use. So if you're happy with Office 2007, I wouldn't say this is a must-have upgrade, but if you are on Office 2000, Office 2003, or maybe you're buying a new computer, this will probably be a pretty nice addition, and I think you'll be pretty happy.